to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Bowling.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you get?
I got an 81.
Hell yeah.
What'd you get?
We're gonna hope this is.
You got an A now.
Yeah, dude. That looks
Yes,
good.
sir. That looks good. It's believable.
That's an A.
Same thing. You tell your mom.
Yeah.
Put that one on.
Why does this got a big question mark?
Cross it out, quick.
When you don't have any answers.
It's okay.
God, you're a dumbass.
Well, apparently that can't go in there.
No, when those aren't even the right answers.
It's in the right text.
Newton's theory of gravity, but it offered an alternative, and I think the best way to demonstrate, because it's a little bit of an abstract theory, would actually be with a particular experiment that Einstein performed in front of the College of Berlin. So, if you give me just a second, I'll grab some equipment out of the back, and I can demonstrate this to you a little bit better.
Party time.
Yeah, party time.
Let's go!
It's a lovely one.
So dirty.
Oh, God. You gonna get the board?
Get that wavy bar.
You broke the streak.
He's good.
What are you doing? And where's Chris?
There we go. Yeah.
Wait, is this a video?
Yes.
Oh shit. Alright, we're gonna clip that part out.
Seminar.
All day. Yes, sir.
Stupid. Oh, this is best Mark.
The sharpest kid on the team.
We're videotaping you guys doing calculus or
Seminar.
advanced geometry.
Sure. That's all it really is.
Every day's a party. For an engineer.
Waiting for tea.
Super seminar.
And so this is when we started giving
At its
you
finest.
speech about
All right, he's gone.
Alright, let's go. Oh god. Go. Yeah. Total victory. Winner.
Loser. Here we go. How do you like engineering, Dane?
Oh, I love it. It's so awesome. I don't know what I would do without engineering, honestly.
Have a life.
True. What? I'd probably have life. I wouldn't be here right now.
So, tell me, how do you get so big?
Steroids.
No, engineer.
Yeah.
Engineering.
Engineering steroids.
Engineer steroids.
You made some. All right, see you later, Dave.
Bye. Bye, Dave. We'll put it in there.
Alright.
A great American.
2.5 more minutes.
Even though he's like part of the
That is one cool kid.
That
Jimmy
guy.
Jones. Where'd he go?
Dude, don't be some. Don't be some.
West Fish.
Gonna block his face. We already know who you are, man.
Jeremy, you're already in the battle.
Why the hell are you recording me, Chris?
For English.
How do you like engineering, Wes?
I don't like engineering. That's why I'm not gonna be an engineer when I go to college.
Oh, Wes is. Oh, Wes is going to college. Jeremy Jones. Jeremy, how do you feel about engineering? Engineering, how do you feel about it? 2 thumbs up. Jeremy likes engineering. He's good at it too.
Forget automobile.
Bye. Run it through with it.
Don't sign in. Don't sign in.
Hunter, no.
Don't sign in.
Hunter, don't do it.
This kid is a loser. Nobody signs in. Oh, hey.
It's like retarded though. So it didn't get like all frosted.
It's retarded. It's only half frosted.
It's like Brett's son.
Daddy.
Yeah, you're in Elliot's club. There are no rules.
Yes, sir. KKK has rules.
Well, no, that's only okay because the black guy said it.
White power.
Should we go interview Elliot about the difference between Z-level, honors, John Tyler, and AP?
We should interview him about
John
how
Tyler is a little bit
procrastination
lower
saves
than
lives.
honors.
No, he
Slightly higher than sea level.
I think we should go. We'll come back in here. Just feel free to
Like leave?
go. Like, go see Elliot.
Very luck.
You saw me?
Chief. Kevin's arm.
Elliot's a scrub.
Elliot is just scrub. He's a mini
We're putting
wheat.
this in the video too. So you can hear what we say about him.
I mean, that looks good.
This is what we do in the library.
I kid.
Here's my life. Roller coaster up. As soon as Thursday hits, coasting all the way down.
That's my grade point. All the way up until senior seminar.
And then that.
Is your car unlocked?
This place looks.
There's a fucking pancake in there.
We should have recorded that shit.
I am. I'm recording right now.
It's open.
What?
Yeah, they do.
Can you unlock this car?
It is.
Oh. Your doors are just a little sticky.
Recording?
Yeah,
Listen to this amazing sound.
Hey, iPhone bumping.
Yeah, it's good.
Are you serious?
Yo, alright, I didn't eat much breakfast, alright? Don't judge me.
Alright, let's get out of here. Whoa, naked boys. Hey. Get this in for Chris. Hey, Chris Anderson. Chris Anderson. Brandon Lawson. Hey, thugs.
Just sick.
Cop car, we don't give a fuck. Oh shit, I'm zoomed in. Cop car. There's Chris Anderson. We ain't slowing down, motherfucker. You're going. You're going. We got this shit.
Dang, Chris.
Cameron Kaufman?
Yeah.
What a low speed flyby. He better cut him off. Cut in front of him. Be a hard ass. Oh shit! What's up, motherfucker? Fuck your couch. Fuck your couch, nigga.
Dang, man.
Hey,
Chris gone.
you get some of that. Just kidding. What the hell? She can't drive. Park right there.
Dead.
No parking.
Yeah. It's safe.
No parking. Park.